Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Cam Link 4K from Elgato and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your picture settings on your application. So as you can see, this is our main menu from our application, which is called Elgato Camera Hub, and the video for installing this application is on our channel. And as you can see, to manage the picture settings, we have to click the camera here, and here we have the picture. We can increase and decrease the brightness level using this slider or using these arrows. Let me do this. As you can see here, we have contrast, and we can manage the arrows too. And we have the saturation, with which we can manage our slider too. We can make any changes that you want, and for example bring the setting to the default using this reverse switch. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.